Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another Cash App hack free money video. I know you guys like these videos, they're doing really well on the channel, so I'm gonna keep making more of them. In today's video, we're reviewing a new video that came out. People just keep making them. So I break them down. I tell you what they're all about. I tell you if they're fake or not. I tell you if they're scams. And I'll also share with you some legit information on Cash App and other investment apps towards the end of the video. So here's a new one 1 week ago. It's a pretty short one, 2 minutes, 46 seconds. So let's go ahead and check this one out.
What's up? Today I'm gonna show you how you can get free balance on Cash App. So as you can see, this
He's
is
gonna show you how to get free $1,000. Up to almost 10,000 for free. So he's saying go to this URL. He says they'll just generate money to send to you for free. If it sounds like a scam, it's a scam. He's just putting in how much he wants. So he wants $9.99. Start the generation process. Yeah, this seems legit. Did he even put in his username? Hang on. Oh, he did put in his Cash App name. Yeah, I don't recommend doing that. They'll probably find a way to scam you or hack you or something. So now, this is what they do in every video. They have to like download these stupid apps and then stay on them for 30 seconds. You have to prove you're not a bot by tapping on the screen. They could never code a bot to do fake taps. Now he's downloading the second app. All right, buddy, get to the fake part. Doing the same thing. He cut. He's doing cuts. Now he's opening up a fake Cash App. He didn't scroll or anything. Notice it just loaded money right there. He opened a video. He opened a video and it played that animation. He can't scroll on the screen right now because it's fake. That's it. He made a video that looks like an app icon on his screen. Tapped on that. That's why there was cuts. Then when he tapped on it, it played the video that looked like cash loading onto his account. And cash would never load onto your account that way. That's just stupid. Just to clarify, this is Cash App. This is the home screen. Their fake design that they're using doesn't look like this. This is what the wallet screen looks like. So you can go back and check this against the one that person used. And you can see that it's a completely different design. It doesn't look anything like that. And also when you add money into your account, it doesn't look like that animation. I'll go ahead and add $5 right now just to show you guys. Add $5, scan my fingerprint, and watch the money on the top of the screen when it loads in. You can just see it does one quick flip from 43 to 48. It doesn't do that thing where it loads every cent onto the account. That's just ridiculous. If you think that's real, you probably have an IQ of 0. You might want to get that checked. There's another Cash App hack review. These people aren't getting free money. It's just a scam to get you to like put in your name or put in your information so they can steal from you, or get you to download apps and watch their ads on the apps so they get ad revenue money from it. If you're interested in actually using Cash App or other investment apps, check out the tutorials on my channel. Also check out the experiments on my channel. I've done experiments where I buy $1 of Bitcoin every single day. Also buying $1 of stocks every single day. You guys can see how that plays out over an extended period of time. I'm also using Robinhood, and I've showed a way where you can get one free stock. Anyone can do it. So check out those links down in the description where I'm doing legitimate videos on a Cash App and other investment apps. That's it for this one. I hope you guys found it helpful. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one, and also more investment tutorials, tips, tricks, experiments, things like that. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard.